Hey YouTube! In this workout, we're going to focus on smoothing out your strumming hand so you can just set it and forget it. So if you feel like you're thinking about your strumming hand way too much and it's just uneven and sounds choppy, then play along with this exercise for a few days and see what happens. We're going to be playing up, up, down, up, up. Just a few reminders. Make sure you've got a loose grip on your pick so it just glides across the string and doesn't bulldoze through them. Make sure you've got just a little bit sticking out so it feels like an extension of your thumb rather than a lot sticking out and feels like there's this foreign object between you and the strings. And then try and put a little bit of twist in your wrist. Try not to put all of the motion in your elbow. And if you want to get the most out of this exercise, then make sure you're counting out loud along with me. If you don't do it out loud, then it doesn't actually do anything for you, so make sure you commit. Your future bandmates will thank you. Well, if you don't really feel like you know what's going on and you want further explanation, then go check out the demonstration video. I put the link in the description. Let's get going on this exercise. We're going to start at 50 beats per minute and gradually work our way up to 150 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Up, up, down, up, and 3, up, down, up, and 3, and 60 beats per minute. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and. Here's 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 110. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and here's 120. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 130. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and 140. Ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and. All right, here's 150. 1, 2, ready, go. Up, down, up, and 3, and up, down, up, and 3, and. Bonus round! Let's go back down to 100 beats per minute, and let's switch between C major and A minor, so it would sound like this. Up, down, up, down, up. Let's see if we can do that 4 times in a row. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Well, that's the end of level 2 strum patterns. Well, coming up in level 3, we're going to focus on accents, where we're just strumming consistently and accenting certain strums to get the rhythm. That's really going to help smooth things out and just kind of allow you to almost improv different strum patterns while you're just kind of switching chords around. It starts to sound a lot more smooth and organic. So stay tuned. If you got any questions or suggestions for the channel, throw those in the comments. They are greatly appreciated. And if you've been liking these exercises and want to make sure that I really do level 3, then click this button over here. Every time somebody clicks that button, I'll consider it a vote for level 3. So vote for level 3 now. I might do it anyway. But if you guys vote for it, I'll definitely do it. All right, well, see you guys in the next video. Bye.